Western Union Money Receiving Process 2025 Full Guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. There are multiple ways how you can receive money from Western Union. So first of all, if you want to receive money in person, so you have to visit a Western Union agent in your location, and after that you have to bring valid identification like acceptable IDs including passport, national ID or driver license depending on your country. And after that you have to provide the following info to the agent like money transfer control number, sender's full name, amount expected, country of origin and your full name as per ID, and fill out the receipt form if required and sign and receive the money in cash. And if you want to receive money in a bank account, the sender selects bank deposit as the delivery option. You must provide your full name, matching bank account number or IBN, and bank name and SWIFT or BIC code. Funds are deposited directly, usually within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the country or bank. And if you want to receive money in a mobile wallet, you have to choose mobile wallet and provide your mobile number linked to wallet and wallet provider number like Gcash, M-Pesa and many more, and you'll receive a SMS confirmation. Open your mobile wallet app to accept or withdraw the money. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.